Hi there, I'm Nito. Today I'm going to talk about understanding marketing attribution models using Skintific as a case study. Hope you enjoy the video. Nowadays, we as customers will leave footprints anywhere, both online and offline. We visit websites, we click on the content, we leave comments on a certain video, we share the video to our friends, etc. Or we even visit a store where our phones are connected to a Wi-Fi, and that Wi-Fi might be able to track our location and then track our offline purchase as well. So there's a lot of variations to the footprints that we leave both online and offline. And all of those information, that's basically big data. It's all sets of data based on our behavior, for example. And when brands and companies use those data to analyze patterns, spot certain sets of behavior, and try to optimize their offering, their product, and their promotion based on those patterns, that's big data analytics basically. And with so many marketing channels and so many footprints that we leave, it's actually even harder for brands to know which marketing activity exactly drive results and impact their business growth. That's when marketing attribution comes in. Marketing attribution is a strategy of determining the value of marketing communications and allocating it to the identified touchpoints along the customer journey. Basically, it's how you assign credit or conversion to each marketing touchpoint. Marketing attribution usually helps brands to determine whether their marketing efforts are working well and where to allocate budgets, whether it's increasing it from one pocket or decreasing it from the other pocket. To solve this, in 2021, researchers Buhalis and Volchek create a 5-dimensional framework to classify marketing attribution models in their journal called Bridging Marketing Theory and Big Data Analytics, the Taxonomy of Marketing Attribution. So we as marketers can actually pick and choose which attribution model fits our strategy and fits our internal business process. So as we know, there's a lot of marketing attribution models. Different tools offer different kinds of attribution model, and basically this journal helps us to classify all of that in one diagram. So we know what are actually the exhaustive and the available options that we have. So now let's get into it. On this diagram, there's a lot of marketing attribution models being presented by the researchers. But for today's video, let's focus on single touch and multi-touch attribution model. Single touch attribution model actually assigns 100% of the purchase or conversion credit to one single marketing touchpoint. It often relies on first click or last click attribution model. So even though you see 20 ads from a single platform, the platform only credits one ads as the contributing factor of that conversion or purchase. So within single touch attribution models, there's first touch and there's last touch attribution model. So with first touch attribution model, we actually only credit the very first interaction that actually influences the purchase or conversion. So in a football analogy, we only credit player A in this diagram. So if you want to know which channel actually drives the awareness and how that awareness leads to conversion, then this is a suitable marketing attribution model. Last touch attribution model assigns 100% credit of the conversion or purchase to the very last marketing touch point. In this football analogy, if you see this picture, then it credits player E as the major contributing factor of this purchase or conversion. So that's with single touch marketing attribution model. So with multi-touch attribution model, it actually accounts for various marketing channels and marketing touchpoint. So for single touch, usually it only sees a single marketing channel, for example, Meta ads only or TikTok ads only or Google ads only, while multi-touch attribution model actually sees the whole customer journey. So you can know, this is actually the weight of the conversion for Meta ads, this is the weight of the conversion for TikTok ads, and so on. So that's basically single touch and multi-touch attribution models. Now, let's talk about Skintific, one of the leading beauty and skincare brands in Indonesia. So based on Kompas Dashboard, an e-commerce data analytics provider in Indonesia, Skintific held the highest market share of face serum in February 2023 at 16.6% on Shopee and Tokopedia. This market share actually amounted to 10.2 billion rupiah revenue and 43,700 face serums sold in that period. In addition to that, Skintific also held the highest revenue and market share in Q1 2024 with over than 60 billion rupiah revenue. In this specific period, they sold a lot of beauty packages which consist of moisturizers, cleansers, toners, serums, and sunscreens. According to Hudiono and Ismail in 2023, Skintific maximizes the use of social media in their marketing efforts. TikTok is the primary channel, with Instagram supporting the efforts as well. On TikTok, they actively host live streaming sessions through their official account, and they often feature limited time promotions with yellow card in it as well. So then the users, the watchers, can then purchase the products immediately there. They also share a lot of informative short videos on their TikTok account. On top of that, they also work with a lot of well-known beauty influencers such as Tasya Farasya, Abel Chantika, Nanda Arshinta, and also Dr. Mario Johan, a health influencer and medical professional. So they've worked with a lot of KOL profiles and beauty influencer profiles, which help propel their awareness and also their sales. So complementing TikTok, they also post a lot of content on Instagram, a combination of photos, short form videos, and also carousel content. They also advertise using Instagram ads, but it seems like TikTok is their main primary channel to growth. Skintific also carried out a lot of collaboration with affiliates, where they would send free product samples for these affiliates to then make a video and review these products, then post it on their TikTok account while linking the yellow card to their videos. Then these affiliate videos will be boosted through TikTok Ads Manager as well. So they work on affiliates and KOLs on the live stream side, but they also work for them in the organic side. So based on these initiatives, it seems like Skintific mostly use last click attribution model, especially on the advertising dashboards they use on Meta, on Shopee, and on TikTok. From these dashboards, they can see a lot of metrics such as cost, click-through rate, video watch, purchase conversion rate, purchase value, and also return on ad spend. Based on these metrics, they can then decide whether to scale up, scale down, or pause a campaign entirely. So that's from the advertising side, and from the affiliate side, they would have TikTok Affiliate Center and Shopee Affiliate Center to see the performance of each affiliate based on the video views, the engagement rate, and also the GMV produced by each affiliate. So those are on the platform level attribution model. Third-party platforms such as colourdata.com, fastmost.com, and kompas.co.id can also be another source for their marketing performance evaluation. Quoting Hudiono and Ismail in 2023, colourdata.com reveals that majority of Skintific revenue is driven by affiliates and live streamers. So this is quite aligned with the efforts that they have done. So aside from that, they can also view data from TikTok Seller Center and Shopee Seller Center as a holistic and helicopter view of the performance. They can use a metric called marketing efficiency ratio, which is the total sales revenue divided by the total marketing spend, and they can calculate this for each platform such as Shopee, Tokopedia, and also TikTok. Marketing efficiency ratio is a great metric to track like overall platform performance, but it doesn't really show us which part of the funnel or which specific activity contributed to that sales revenue performance. So that's why it's very important to combine this marketing efficiency ratio metric with reports from each platform's ad manager and each platform's affiliate center. So the combination of high-level performance review and then campaign level performance review can be combined and can be the recipe for success. So that's a little bit about marketing attribution model and how it can be used by Skintific to evaluate their marketing efforts. Thank you.